Take a look at those stories in just a moment. First, we had plenty of rain overnight, but it's finally come to an end.
Let's get over to 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Chris Bazakis.
Yeah, the rain is finally ended, but we got a good amount of it, around 2 to 3 inches for many of us, and we have some of the latest rainfall totals. These were taken around midnight last night, but it goes to show you that the further east you went, the more rain you had. The further west you went, the less rain you had. But either way, everyone here in western Massachusetts saw a good drink of rain. We can take that full screen for you. Belchertown closing in around 3 inches of rain there. Brimfield just a little over 2.5 inches. Orange 2 inches of rain, and then as you headed to the west again, Tolland a little over 1.5 inches. Either way, a good soaking rain. There was some minor flooding out there. The good news with yesterday is we actually kept the strongest winds to the east of us. Milton, Massachusetts, at the Blue Hill Observatory outside of Boston had a wind gust yesterday of 71 miles an hour. Strongest wind gust here so far that we've recorded at Westover was around 39 miles per hour yesterday evening. So it was breezy, but we did miss out on the worst of the wind yesterday, so that was great news. But Westfield for now is looking fine out there. Also Greenfield looking pretty good. There will be some ponding on the roads and also some slick spots this morning where the water is still standing on the sidewalks and untreated surfaces because temperatures are out there in the 30s. We got that breeze out of the west, 10 miles per hour in Springfield, 7 miles per hour in Orange. It is going to be a breezy day. Air temperature for now, it's 37 in Springfield, 34 in Northampton, 31 is the temperature there in Pittsfield. There are some spots back in the hills in the Berkshires that are around or a little bit below freezing. So if you're heading to the west this morning, watch out for some slippery spots, as again, some of the moisture on the roads could have turned to black ice during the overnight. You can see most of us are dry, maybe one little flurry here right along Route 2 there in western Franklin County. Taking a wider view on clouds of radar, you can see the lake effect snow is back up and running to the west of us. And as we go throughout the day, there could be a passing flurry in a few spots from it, but overall it's dry with a sun and cloud mix and breezy. High temperatures into the mid to upper 30s to near 40 degrees. 39 in Springfield, 38 in Westfield. With that wind out of the northwest, I would dress for what will feel like the upper 20s with the wind chill out there today. 39 in Northampton, 37 in Belchertown, sun and cloud mix with temperatures in the 30s, 38 in Greenfield, 37 in South Deerfield, and also back in the Berkshires, going to be staying into the low to mid 30s heading into the afternoon. We actually get colder for the day tomorrow. We'll talk about it and show it to you in the 22 Storm Team forecast.